Hi friends, I'm Victoria from Anka Truck. Today I'm introducing an Isuzu 3.2-ton folding boom truck to you. It uses an Isuzu KV100 chassis, English instrument panel, equipped with air conditioning, power windows, and a remote key. Isuzu 120 horsepower engine, 3 liters displacement, and a 5-speed gearbox. It has a 3-ton front axle, a 5.5-ton rear axle, double-layer 800mm straight-through beams, a 7.5 R16 steel rear tires. It equips with the XCMG 3.2-ton 3-section knuckled boom crane with a 3.6-meter out-trigger span, a 9.3-meter lifting height, a 7.3-meter working radius, and 360-degree rotation capability. The cargo box is made of carbon steel and 3.5 meters long, 2.3 meters wide, and 0.6 meters high, and can carry 5 tons of goods. I am from the Isuzu truck manufacturing factory. We can customize trucks to your needs. If you need it, please contact me.